Manjushri have attained extremely high states of realization. They must also rely on the Buddha's teachings when they transform and liberate sentient beings. The bodhisattva Maitreya, who abides on the 10th bodhisattva level, is the future 5th Buddha of this fortunate aeon. In the Ornament of Clear Realization also specifically mention how the bodhisattva Maitreya relied on the sutras to reveal the Buddha's profound and hidden meanings. Yet some ordinary beings today, who have only a minimal understanding of Buddhism, believe they know it all. They are arrogant and readily question the Buddha's views. This deluded action is really to be pitied. In order to develop our wisdom, it is perfectly reasonable for us to examine and analyze the Buddha's teaching carefully, but to try to refute it is to indulge in the wildest fancy.